This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever underneath the steering wheel. Slide the safety latch and raise the hood, then support it with the rod. Loosen the clamp nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Loosen the clamp nut, then disconnect the positive battery cable from the terminal. Remove the battery hold-down bolt and wedge from the battery tray area. Lift out the battery. Be careful, it's heavy. If not already equipped, special lifting straps that attach to the battery sides are available at auto parts stores. Lifting and moving the battery is much easier if you use one. With the battery removed, place some rags over the battery tray. If the battery cables are corroded or need cleaning, clean them using a battery terminal brush to ensure a good connection to the battery. Clean up and vacuum out any metal shavings or debris from the battery compartment and dispose of the rags after the cables have been cleaned. Install the battery to the mounting tray. Then install the battery hold-down clamp. Tighten the clamp fastener securely. Connect the positive cable to the battery positive terminal. Tighten the cable nut securely. Then position the protective red terminal cover over the positive terminal. Connect the negative cable to the battery terminal. Tighten the cable nut securely.